Meet Hero, a brand new addition to the GoPro lineup, and a camera we're truly stoked to announce. It features the signature immersive footage you've come to love, a visual thumbprint that's made GoPro one of the best-selling cameras in the world, but also makes it simpler than ever to capture your life. The new Hero camera is quickly recognizable thanks to its unique integrated camera and housing design. This rugged, adventure-ready housing is waterproof to 131 feet or 40 meters. It's designed to withstand dirt, sand, water, and nearly anything else you can throw at it. So whether you're getting after surf, snow, or single track, or just splashing in the pool with your friends, Hero can come along for the ride. Capture gorgeous HD 1080p 30 video, or use 720p 60 for fast action shots. A variety of photo capture options give you the power to document your passions just about any way you want. Shoot 5-megapixel photos to share with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, and more. New user-friendly modes make capturing your life easier than ever, like Quick Capture, which lets you power on your camera and start recording video or taking time-lapse photos with the press of a single button. And Burst Photo, which captures fast action sequences at up to 5 frames per second. Hero also features Super View, a video mode that captures the world's most immersive field of view, and Auto Low Light, which adjusts the frame rate automatically, so even when you find yourself in variable and low-light environments, you'll be able to nail the shot. Time-lapse mode automatically captures a photo every half second. It's great for gear-mounted shots when the shutter button is out of reach, or capturing a series of photos so you can pick the best ones. Want to hear what's happening around you? You absolutely can. Hero records audio of all your adventures, from hoots and high fives to roaring crowds and crashing waves. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, Hero is super small and ultra portable for low-profile mounting. Its compact design means you can comfortably wear it or mount it to your gear as you capture your favorite activities, or slip it in your pocket or bag to take anywhere. Hero's ultra-wide-angle glass lens is great for capturing large groups in small spaces, close-range selfies, and gear-mounted shots. Hero supports micro SD cards up to 32 gigabytes, so you can capture, playback, and transfer full HD 1080p video. Compatible with most GoPro mounts, Hero enables you to capture immersive POV footage, hands-free. Wear it on your helmet or chest for a unique perspective. Mount it to bikes, boards, musical instruments, and more to capture the whole experience. From skiing to skateboarding, music to motocross, there's a GoPro mount that will help you get the shot. Wearable and gear mountable, the new Hero camera makes it possible to capture photos and videos that make you look like just that, a hero.